will guess you tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. This Wi-Fi version 32GB RAM memory, internal memory, 3GB RAM memory. Okay, open box. Look completion. Device in the silver color. We have metal body. Okay, and completion. In completion we have only documentary, key for slot, with slot for micro SD card, and this we have USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. This is all completion. Okay. And talk about device. On the back side camera, on the front side 10.4-inch display, front camera and indicators. On this side speakers, on this side speakers too, so USB Type-C port, microphone, on the outside slot for micro SD card. Upside we have power key and volume keys. Okay. And a jack for headphones, we have this. Turn on device. Okay, we have TFT display, full HD resolution, full HD plus resolution. Open settings, look Android version, about tablet, 1UI core Android, Android 10, 1UI core 2.5 and Knox 3.5. Okay. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, CPU Snapdragon 662, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, GPU Adreno 610, look results, CPU test results, okay, open AnTuTu benchmark result, AnTuTu benchmark results, okay, and start debugging game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device on the maximum graphic level. Game works very good, without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels. Let's see these photos.